What is up, guys, and welcome to another video at Everyday Cars here. Now today we're going to an all-American car meet. Well, I'm already here, but that's what we're going to do today. And yeah, I'll see you guys over there. Let's get it going.
I'm like, hey, what's up, see my track, we be counting up, we can see it go, taking back to Lambo, and I got the money, I ain't never letting go.
To see, normal traffic cars, should I say, exotic cars, but no American cars yet, and that's what we're here for. So, let's see what we can see. Oh no cool car. I mean, there is this cool Inai too. Car right there. Oh, okay, we've got some good cars. We're definitely here. Let's go check some of these cars out. This is a Ferrari, of course. Yeah, like I was saying, this event is like crazy. I mean, it's an American meet, but I'm seeing lots of Germans and Italians, Crazy. Check this out. I've already seen so many cars, man. It is so crazy. Like, look at this one. That's crazy, man. And then we've got an E92 right here, M3.
You're so far off, oh, it's like you can't see ahead. These feelings you've caught don't make sense. Your plan's gonna flop. You keep raising doubts without cause. All you feel is dread. My logic is fair. If it's pain, it's never gonna stop. Cause we both know that one day it's not gonna cry again. Without
already sure, but I think it's time to head out now, you know. But yeah, hopefully I get some stuff on the road, but as for now, this is gonna be it. Well, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. On the way back home now. Like I said, it was a fun one. Let's see if I can spot some car spotters, because I saw some like back there and on my way in as well.